Hello, good people. Do you speak your native language perfectly and you're looking for these highly paying websites for language translating? Look no further. I'm going to give you the top 5, the highly paying websites for AI language translating. So consider subscribing onto my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button because when I upload the new video, you'll be the first to watch. Let's get started. Now, let's get started. The first platform or website is called Unbabble, the AI Editor Hub. Unbabble uses AI to translate customer services, tickets, and marketing content instantly. Humans then clean up the text. The pay structure of this particular platform, you are paid for the time spent editing. Most beginners earn around $10 to $12 per hour, while experienced super editors can reach up to $20 per hour. Now, how does this work? You don't need to find clients. You simply log in and edit tasks as they appear in the queue. The second app is called OneFormo, the AI model training. This platform focuses on human in top loop tasks. You might be asked to compare two AI translations and rate which is better, or translate long form context data to help train 2026 AI models. The pay structure of this platform is often project specific. Complex AI evaluation tasks can pay upwards of $30 per hour for rare language pairs. How it works? You must pass specific certifications exams for each project you are applying to. The third is called Django by Lionbridge, a massive platform that serves companies like YouTube and A&B. They use AI for fast pass translations, and you act as the final quality check. The pay structure in this particular platform is standard because you'll be paid from 0.003 to 0.004 per word. The pro are also paid from 0.008 per word. How it works? You first pass a test, choose your language pair, and claim jobs from a dashboard. Here comes the fourth, which is called SmartCut, AI Marketplace. SmartCut allows you to use their AI booster to translate a document in seconds, and then you charge the client for the human review. The pay structure of this particular platform, you set your own rates. In 2025, the average for AI post editing, which is MTPE, on this platform is $0.05 to $0.10 per word. How it works? You create a profile, and the AI matching algorithm pairs you with companies looking for your specific language skills. The fifth app you can earn money is called ProZ, or Professional MTPE. ProZ is in the LinkedIn for translators. While it is not an AI tool itself, it is where the highest paying AI companies like Google or Meta hire agencies to find expert editors. The pay structure of this particular platform, this is where the money is. For specialized fields like medical, legal, tax, you can charge up to $0.15 to $0.25 per word to verify AI output. How it works? You apply to job posting or are contacted by agencies. based on your professional credentials. Hopeful you have learned something from this video. It's up to you to decide to apply for these jobs, and don't waste your time because there is money online. Don't forget to subscribe onto my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button because when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.